Chapter 13, A River Tale. Question number 1. Look carefully at the picture of the river. Read the word given below. Use this word to make a story. Give a title to your story also. Boat, flowing, water, blue, fish, water plants, river, fuel, smell, big ship, oil, river, bank, factories, washing clothes, animals, other work, change, city. So children, you have to use these words and make a story, and you have to give the title to that story. So we will give the title is A River Agnoi. Flowing water in the river bring the memory of the old times in the mind of river. Gone are the days when she used to be happy, dance and flowing all the way to the sea. She was greeted by lush green crops field in the river bank. White fish playing in the blue water was a real treat to eyes. People used boats to cross and catch fishes. Now things have changed. The waste chemical have fuel smell are thrown into river water. Big ships which burn and spill oil run on river. This kills the water plants, washing clothes, bathing animals and other work, and salt to the injury. All waste from city are dumped into the river. All these changes made river unhappy. The golden memories of old days bring tears to the river. Now open page number 107. Question number 1. Look at the picture again and answer the following question. What is the color of the river where it begins? It is colorless. Question number 2. At some places there are many fishes in the river. At some places there are few, and in some there are dead fish. What could be the reason for this? Discuss. The fishes need fresh air and water. People throw their unless material into the water. The water at that place becomes unfit for fishes. Question number 3. What can be seen in the river before it reached the village? The answer is large number of fishes can be seen because water is pure and fresh. Question number 4. At which places did the color of the river water change? Why did this happen? Discuss. Answer is the color of the river changes where there are factory nearby. This is because factory water are dumped into river. Question number 5. Which of the places shown in the picture would you like to live in? Why? The answer is I would like to live in the place shown in the lower figure. It is more clean. Question number 6. Would you like to change any of these things that you can see in the picture? Why? How? The answer is I would like to remove the waste material from the bank of the river. This is because this waste will contaminate the river. So children, in question number 5 and as well as in question number 6, the picture which is given below, it is in your textbook only. So please see that picture. It is on page number 107. Now open 108 page number. The question number 1. If you want to drink some water from which part of the river would you like to drink? Why? I would like to drink water from a little deep below the surface. There is less dirty. The question number 2 is, in the last part of the picture, the river flows into the sea. Have you ever seen the sea? Where? In the film or anywhere else? I have seen sea in Puri. Puri is a city where I have seen the river. You can write in your own sentence also. Question number 3. Have you ever been near a river or sea? When? I was near the river Ganesh with my parents when I was in the 3rd standard. Question number 4. How do the sea waves move? The sea waves move up and down. Question number 5. Can you drink the sea water? Why? We can't drink the sea water. It is very salty. Now question number 6 is, do you think that there would be some changes that take place in a river, pond or a stream throughout the year? What kind of changes may take place? Discuss. Yes, during the rainy season there is maximum water. During winter there is very little water. Pond, stream, etc. may even get dry. Now children, open page number 109. Question number 1. Will there be the same amount of water in the ponds, river during the rainy season and in the summer season? No, there is more water in rainy season rather than in summer season. Question number 2. Is there a pond, river or lake near your town or city? The sub questions are there any changes in the water in summer, rainy season or winter? The answer of the first is, during rainy season there is more water. The water becomes more muddy in winter and starting of summer. There is very little water in ponds. Some may even dry up. Question number 2. What kind of fishes are found there? There are many kind of fishes, small as well as big. What kind of trees and plants grow around there? Grass, banana, etc. What kind of birds come there? Many kind of birds, mainly carnivorous birds like eagle, etc. Have you ever seen or read or heard about floods? Where? I have heard about floods in Mumbai and Assam. I have seen in TV news also. What happens when there is a flood? There is excess water everywhere. Water enters in houses. People suffers a lot. Have you seen dirty water in a river or pond? Yes, I have seen. How can you know if the water is dirty? If the water looks clean, can you be sure that it is alright to drink that water? Discuss. Pure water is clean and clear. Dirty water is not so. Even if the water looks clean, it may not be alright to drink that water. It may contain germs that causes disease. How does water become dirty? So the first question is, from where do you get your drinking water? A river or a lake? Do you think that like the river in the picture, your river or lake can also be affected? From a river, yes, we get the water from a river and the river gets affected. The answer is yes, the same thing may happen to our river also. Now open page number 101. There are some things given here and we have to tick whether it dissolves in water, whether it does not dissolve in water, and color of the water changes, color of the water does not changes. In sugar, it dissolves in water and it does not changes the water, as well as in salt and lemon juice are same. Haldi, it doesn't dissolve in water and it changes the color of the water. soap water, it dissolves in the water and it changes the color in the water. Flour, it does not dissolve in water and color of water changes. Dal, it also dissolve in water, it does not dissolve in water and the color of the water changes. Sarbat, it dissolves in water and the color of the water changes. Cooking soda, it dissolves in water and the color of water does not change. Oil, so oil, in this we have to take only one word, that is color of the water changes. Question 2. Now based on your observation tell. You have to tell on the basis of the observation. Do all things dissolve in water? No. All things does not dissolve in water. Does the color of the water always changes? No. Color of the water also does not always changes. Imagine how it could be if nothing like sugar, salt, lemon juice, sarbat, etc. could dissolve in water. We could not be able to have drink, tea, cook food and many more. Imagine how it would be if things like stone, chalk, salt, lemon juice, sarbat, etc. could dissolve in water. Everything would be dissolved in rain water. There would be nothing remaining in the world. How is drinking water made in your house? In our house, first of all, alum is added to water. The mud settles down. The water is then poured into filter. Chlorine tablets is also added in this water. Find out about different ways of which can be made clean. Adding alum, filter, adding chlorine. Draw picture showing any two ways. See, here is the diagram in which it is shown how to filter the water. So first the water is boiled, then we add chemical, then it is filter. So this was the exercise for the chapter number 13, A River Tale. Thank you.